sensational! What the fuck?
The Audi RS6 comes at you with a twin turbocharged 4.0 liter V8, which generates 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Alright, you guys, another thing, before the comparison starts, comment down below which one you guys think is better looking and which one you guys think is faster. I do have to say one thing about the Audi. One thing about the RS6, it does look way more aggressive. It's just mean looking. And now we have the E63S, and it comes with a 4.0 liter V8 twin turbocharged that boosts up to 603 horsepower and 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. One thing about the E63 is that it's a mixture of performance and luxury. I mean, just take a look, see how happy DJ is.
Alright, cool, so I can put it in there. Sensational! What the fuck?
In conclusion, after watching this video, what car do you think is the fastest and the best looking? In my opinion, I will go with the E63S AMG as the best looking one, and the Audi RS6 as the fastest. Remember to comment below what you think, and leave a like, and subscribe. And you guys, we're almost at 100 subscribers, so I just want to take the time to just say thank you for the support, for the feedback, and let's keep grinding. Thank you guys.
So, two German performance wagons line up on our drag strip. The E63S, generously donated for this video by PJ's Auto Spa, and the RS6 by Eurocharge Canada. These are masters of versatility. Unlike James, who, while great at, I don't know, quoting Lord of the Rings, is useless at pretty much everything else.
What?
So let's find out what happens when you put a 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque all-wheel drive monster against the new lighter kit on the block with 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque.